you find him. His father's sword he has girded on, and his word of song behind him. Land of song, said the warrior, but the world betrays thee. One sword at least thy wrath shall guard, one faithful harp shall praise thee. Minstrel fell, but the foreman's chain could not bring his brow so under. The harp he loved never spoke again, for he tore its cords asunder, and said, no chain shall sully thee, thou soul of love and bravery. Thy songs were made for the pure and free, they shall never sound in slavery.